Hey everybody, I'm going to do a swipe with plastic, but this time I'm using a metallic bronze, gold mixed with copper, Bordeaux red, and pearl space gray. I'm not sure what brand that pearl space gray is. And I'm also using an Arteza wood panel because I'm curious how it works on wood. I don't know if it will react the same. So we will find out. But I'm really curious if it'll work the same on the wood. Hang on, I'm grabbing my pipettes. I need 4 of them. All right. So let's pour the white. And I did yesterday's video I did a few hours ago. And as it's dried, the cells have gotten bigger. It's way cool. I'll show it on my next video when it's dry. It's gotten really cool. And I love the gray, white, and black string pull as well. Today's just a really good pouring day. Knock on wood. There we go. We knocked on wood. Not every day is a good pouring day. Sometimes nothing goes right. And then other days it all turns out lovely. So this is one of those good days. Even though outside it is so dreary and yucky, I feel so blah. And my mom had back surgery, so she's in the hospital, so I can't call her and complain how blah I feel, because she probably feels 100 times worse. So, alright, this is space gray. Alrighty. Now this is kind of like a bronzy brown. I'm not quite sure what it is. It could be a combination of a bunch of colors. I'm really not entirely sure. It's pretty though. Oh, the Bordeaux red. There's not that much of it. I don't know if I'll be able to get enough. Yeah, but looks like just barely. Throw that one away. This is so much fun to do. I love using the pipettes. All right. Now for the white. Stir it up a little bit. This white has spot on treadmill silicone in it. And the plastic I'm using is actually the plastic that comes on the canvases from Michaels. Oh, it got crinkly, but that should be okay. Definitely enough red. Red turned out the predominant color. Kind of wish I'd put a little bit of black in there, but it's too late for that because I like it, so I don't want to mess with it. But I think black would have added depth to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.